howdy! We're on our way to Podium. Showing me the newly restored bag. I so love it, my god. I will provide you a link below showing you how the old bag looks like before I gave it to Vintage Restore. And stay tuned to see the before and after look of my Chanel bag. So before the restoration, there were cracks on the leather, there was scuffing on corners and sides of lining, there were scratches and tarnish on metals, and also powdery lining of cell wall. And here is the before and after pics of my bag. There's a drastic change on the look of the bag. They replaced the body quilt with lambskin. They even cleaned and conditioned the bag. And look at the hardwares. It's so gold, it's so shiny, it's like it's new. Ma'am Trisha Quazon and Miss Alloy helped me on this journey. Thank you so much, ladies. This bag looks like it had a facelift. So guys, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts about this bag, okay? The end. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you learned something new. Remember to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.